A term that is very important to understand what it means is beta weighting. And all that means is you are able to take, let me bring this over here. I have multiple positions in multiple expiration cycles here. And if I wanted to take a quick snapshot and be able to look at what all of these aggregated positions are going to do in the event of a market move, either up or down. I know what they do individually based upon my Greeks, but if I want to look at all of them collectively, this little check mark and this little box right here, beta weight, and you can beta weight it to anything you want, to the SPX, you can beta weight it to the Russell, you can beta weight it to Apple, and I have these subcategorized into groups. So let me do this right here. Let me delete this group. I will delete this group, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like when you don't have these grouped into different sections and they're all unallocated. So you see everything is put together in one giant hodgepodge mess, right? You've got all of these here, they're all unallocated, and you want to know what are your Greeks? What does all my positions look like? All right, I get rid of this, I'll bring over delta, gamma, theta, and vega. And now I can say, all right, if I am looking at all of my positions, I have a pretty flat delta. That tells me a T plus 0 line is pretty flat. I've got good positive theta. I know what my buying power effect is. But now if I want to beta weight that to, say, the Russell, now that tells me a move in the Russell is going to impact all of my trades aggregated together a certain way, differently than the SPX, differently than Apple, differently than Amazon, differently than the futures, etc. So it's a simple, quick way to look at all of your positions. Because I know some traders have, maybe 8 or 10 different positions, different underlyings, different equities, some futures, maybe commodities, ETFs. If you have a lot of positions open and you want to get a quick visual snapshot of what kind of exposure you have to the overall market, you do that by beta weighting. And all that simply means is you take all of your positions that are actively open and you weight them to something different. So you'll be able to quickly tell how much pain or how much profit you will experience with the move up or down.